Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play tapped harmonics. First, understand that tapped harmonics create a distinct, chime-like sound on your guitar. This advanced technique involves striking a string with a finger from your picking hand while simultaneously muting the string at a harmonic node with your fretting hand. It's a fantastic way to add a unique, ethereal quality to your solos and riffs, expanding your guitar vocabulary significantly. To begin, you need to identify the harmonic nodes on your guitar strings. These are specific points where the string naturally resonates. The most common and easiest to find are directly above the 5th, 7th, and 12th fret wires. For example, the 12th fret produces an octave higher than the open string. You should lightly touch the string with your fretting finger, just enough to mute it without pressing it down to the fretboard. Now for the tapping action. With your fretting hand lightly touching a harmonic node, use a finger from your picking hand, often your index or middle finger, to tap the string. The tap should be a quick, firm strike directly over the same harmonic node where your fretting finger is positioned. Think of it as a hammer-on, but with your picking hand. Immediately after tapping, lift your tapping finger to allow the harmonic to ring out clearly. Consistent practice is key to mastering tapped harmonics. Begin by practicing slowly on a single string, perhaps the high E string, at the 12th fret. Focus on the clarity and sustain of each harmonic. Gradually increase your speed and try different strings and harmonic nodes, like the 5th and 7th frets. Experiment with your tapping force and release speed. With dedication, you will achieve a beautiful, resonant tone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.